In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload your picture in Outlook web app. If you want to personalize your Outlook account and make it easier for other people to recognize you, adding a profile picture is a quick and useful update. Your photo can appear across Microsoft services, so this is a simple way to make your account look more complete and professional. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can follow along without any confusion. To begin, open Outlook on the web and sign into your account if you haven't already. Make sure you're on the main Outlook page before moving to the next part. Once Outlook is open, look toward the top area of the screen and find your profile icon. This may appear as a circle with your initials, a generic avatar, or your current picture if one is already set. Click your profile icon to open the account menu. In that menu, select My Microsoft. This will take you to your Microsoft account area, where you can manage personal details connected to your profile. Depending on your browser or account settings, the page may take a moment to load, so give it a few seconds if needed. After that, look for the section called Your Info and click it. This is where Microsoft stores the basic information associated with your account, including your profile image. Once you're in the right section, find the option to add a photo. Click Add a photo to continue. At this point, a file window should open on your computer. Browse to the location where your profile picture is saved. Choose the image you want to use, and then confirm your selection. It's a good idea to use a clear photo that is centered and easy to recognize. A simple, well-lit image usually works best, especially if you're using this account for work or school. After you select the file, Outlook or Microsoft may show you a preview of the image. If that happens, check that it looks the way you want before saving it. Once everything looks good, complete the upload so your new profile picture is applied to your account. If you don't see the new image right away, don't worry. Sometimes it can take a little time for the change to update across Outlook and other Microsoft services. You can refresh the page or sign out and back in later to check whether the picture has updated. And that's all it takes to upload your picture in Outlook web app. Once it's added, your account will look more personal and polished.